Today we're staying at Mandalay Bay. It's been a few years since we've stayed here. I had pretty much forgotten how beautiful this property is. All the palm trees and the waterfalls. I love all those giant palm trees. It's beautifully decorated inside and out. I don't know when the last remodel was, but everything looks pretty fresh and new. We were lucky enough to get a penthouse on the 63rd floor. With a view of the Strip. You can also see probably about half of the airport. See a lot of planes take off. The living area is got some very comfortable chairs and a couch, some modern art, large TV, not overstuffed though. It has a lot of free space to move around. I like that. The bedroom also has a large flat screen TV, a very comfortable king-size bed. It has a full-size dresser, and it has a nice-sized desk by the window, which can also be used as a dining table. A great place to have room service breakfast and watch the sunrise. It has two large his and hers closet, has his and hers robes, complimentary slippers, and a safe. If you've watched some of our videos, you probably caught on that we like a large bathroom. And this suite has his and hers sinks, lots of countertops, a large tub, a walk-in shower, and another private room with a commode. Back near the entrance, the bar area has some very nice artwork, has a personal mini fridge, and another mini bar fridge, a sink, a coffee maker, and with the coffee kits available, which is handy, unless you brought your own Starbucks. Behind the bar, there's also another half bath. As I said, Mandalay Bay is a beautiful property. If you stay here, be sure and take time for a slow walk out in front, around all the waterfalls and the palm trees. It's a great place to meditate and plan how you're going to spend all of your winnings. If the weather happens to be bad outside, you can also take a walk inside. There's a nice little walkway that connects Mandalay Bay to the Luxor.